Hello everyone, welcome back. If you try to use the Facebook but your Facebook says this page isn't available right now, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to check three things. Number one, check your internet connection and make sure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. Then tap and hold the App Store. Now tap on updates and check the update for Facebook. Then settings, general, tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we have to go to settings, tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, then tap reset and tap reset all setting. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Go back to general. Here we have to tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll, find and tap on Facebook and tap offload app. After that, tap again offload app to confirm. After upload the app, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button. Quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. After that, go to App Store and re-download the Facebook app. If none of these is not working, then tap and hold the Facebook app and tap remove app, then tap delete app. After delete the app, wait for few seconds, then re-download and enter your username and password and your problem will be fixed. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.